Are you looking for the best stand mixer in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 4 best stand mixer that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, Cuisinart SM50BC. The KitchenAid stand mixer is a versatile and powerful tool that is perfect for any kitchen. With a 5.5 quart capacity and a 500-watt motor, it can handle any mixing task you throw at it. The die-cast metal construction and 12-speed settings make it durable and easy to use. The included chef's whisk, dough hook, flat mixing paddle, and splash guard with pour spout make it a complete mixing solution. The optional attachments in colors, pasta extruder, pasta roller, and cutters, ice cream maker, meat grinder, spiralizer, etc. make it even more versatile. The KitchenAid stand mixer is a must-have for any kitchen. At number 2, KitchenAid KP26M1XER. Looking for a powerful and versatile stand mixer? Check out the KitchenAid Professional 600 Series 6-quart bowl lift stand mixer. This mixer has 10 different attachments in a 6-quart stainless steel bowl with a comfortable handle. The bowl lift design makes it easy to mix large batches of ingredients, and the 10 different speeds make it powerful enough for any task or recipe. Plus, it comes with a burnished flat beater, power-knead spiral dough hook, and wire whip. So, if you're in the market for a high-quality and versatile stand mixer, the KitchenAid Professional 600 Series 6-quart bowl lift stand mixer is a great option to consider. At number 3, Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer. If you're looking for a top-quality stand mixer with all the bells and whistles, the KitchenAid KSM150PSOB is a great choice. This mixer has the same mixing action as KitchenAid's popular stand mixers, and it outperforms 2-beater stand mixers. It also features the popular tilt-up head design for adding ingredients and changing attachments quickly. The KSM150PSOB is a great choice for baking, as it can easily mix thick batters and doughs. It comes with a powerful 300-watt motor, and it has complete bowl coverage, so you don't have to scrape the sides of the bowl. It also includes a splash guard, dough hook, whisk, and flat beater. You can wipe the outside of the stand mixer with a damp cloth or sponge. This mixer has 7 speeds, and it comes with a mixing guide. The guide lets you know which speed to use for various mixing methods. The KitchenAid KSM150PSOB is a great choice for anyone who wants a top-quality stand mixer. At number 4, KitchenAid KSM3311XQG. The KitchenAid Artisan Mini Stand Mixer is a versatile kitchen companion for a range of sweet and savory recipes. From cupcakes to guacamole, pulled pork, and more, the Artisan Mini can handle it all. With 10 mixing speeds, the user can select the right speed for the mixing job, from a slow stir to a very fast whip. The soft start feature helps to avoid ingredient splash and flour puff by starting at a lower speed. The 3.5-quart stainless steel bowl can make up to 5 dozen cookies. The multi-purpose attachment hub powers over 10 optional attachments, offering endless opportunities to take your stand mixer to the next level. The tilt head design allows clear access to the bowl and attached accessories to easily add ingredients for a recipe. Locking the head into place during operation keeps the beater to bowl contact close and efficient. The Artisan Mini Stand Mixer is available in a variety of premium finishes, with chrome-plated knobs, a convenient power cord location, and elegant wraparound trim band. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.